Hi, welcome to my channel. And if you haven't been here before, I do crafty items and sewing and just all kinds of different craft related things. And this is the Sew Sampler box from the Fat Quarter Shop. This is for February. So I haven't done these in a while. I got them piled up. This one came Saturday, so I figured I wanted to do it the other day, but just got to it today, Monday. So here it is. And I just opened it, so here it is. Lucky Charm, February 2020. Sorry for the different angle. My craft table is a disaster. I just kind of made a little space here and trying to, so hopefully you can see it. So we got 10% off Moda pre-cuts and 20% off Martingale books. And this is the February 2020 box from Fat Quarter Shop. This will tell me the prices and what everything is. And I usually do the fabric last. So let's dig down here and see what this is. So we have our spool of thread, which is pretty much in every box. This is Aurifil, which it usually is, and Aurifil is made in Italy. This is a red color. There is the UPC and numbers for you. It's 80 weight Aurifil thread. Make it a red letter day when you brighten your sewing with this rich red 80 weight thread by Aurifil. This fine light thread is terrific for hand sewing, English paper piecing, applique, and even free motion quilting. This bold red is sure to leave a hint of happiness in your next quilt. It is MK, like Mary Kate, 80-2250. Next item, we have diagonal seam tape, Cluck Cluck Sew. It has some measurements on it. It shows a 1/4 inch. I think that's the only thing it shows. It shows 1/4 inch. There is that. This is diagonal seam tape, Cluck Cluck Sew, number CCS192. With the diagonal seam tape as your guide, you can ditch the marking pens. This handy washi tape from Cluck Cluck Sew adheres right onto your sewing machine and features 2 1/4 inch seam lines and a red center line. Whenever you need to sew down the center of a diagonal seam, simply align the corners of your fabric piece to the red center line and go. You'll find so many wonderful uses for this sticky sidekick. Ooh, I can definitely use that on my machine. Here's the packaging. Here's the back. Retail is $6.48. The retail price of the thread is $6.24. They had it in different spots, so I forgot to read that. Next one is Meet in the Middle. I'm trying to read it backwards, so if you're wondering why I can't, why I'm not reading it very well, I'm trying to read it backwards because they have the paper on it. I have the paper on this side, so it's backwards. So this is the Meet in the Middle half hexagon template by Lisa Alexander, exclusively for Sew Sampler box. It says, take the hex out of hexagons with the Meet in the Middle template by Lisa Alexander, exclusively designed for the Sew Sampler box. This notion transformed 5-inch square charm packs into harmonious hexagons with no Y seams. Simply cut using the template and join the pieces into rows. And the retail value is $9.98. Oops, I think I didn't have it in there, did I? And here is a picture of it showing what you do with it, kind of there. So that retails for $9.98. Use that. Then we have a couple of patterns. We have, where is it? Goodness Grows Quilt Along. Corey Yoder, you're invited to let goodness bloom in your heart, block by block. Designed by Corey Yoder, this quilt will leave This quilt will leave you so inspired to make positive things happen in your heart and cultivate your own personal garden of good. So it has this, and it has a pattern for you to copy. And there's the back of it. It's this pattern's retailed at $4.98. It says, get your Goodness Grows quilt kit and coordinating 80 weight applique or fill thread pack. So Sugar Creek quilt kits available. Oh, it says new Sugar Creek quilt kits available. So there's that one. The second one is Meet in the Middle. Lisa Alexander, exclusively for Sew Sampler box. It says take control of the classic hexagon design from Lisa Alexander. Using a simple stitch and flip method, these shapes take form with an easy meet in the middle technique that you will happily put on repeat. Dress up your living space with this lovely design and start with the Mackinac Island charm packs in this box for a warm weather feeling that will carry you through the season. Value is $9.98. And I think these are what this is for, I think. Does that look right? I'm not positive. Let's see if that was on the picture. Yeah, that's what they're shown on the picture. That's that part of the picture for the template showing these blocks here. So somehow it is used for that. That pattern retails for $9.98. You can see here all the step-by-step directions. And there's the template in the book for this. Right there. Okay, and now we have the fabric. The Mackinac Island. We got two of those. Two charm packs. It says retail value $19.96. Named for one of Minnick and Simpson's favorite places, Mackinac Island warms us through winter with hearty red, white, and blues, full of broad stripes and full bright stars. Lori Simpson has also sprinkled in some wonderful dots, florals, and ginghams for good measure. Enjoy the full range of these classic colors and prints in 5-inch square charm packs. Let's see if I can slide this a little bit. I can show them to you. Oh, missed one. This is the hardest part. I'm trying to stay in here for you. Oh, goodness. Oh, I don't have to try to hold it. Oh, there's that one. I like to get this a little bit more. I don't want to take it off because then I get all messed up. And I want to keep them neat because I'm not going to be making this right away. Okay, there we go. I like that one. So you got lights and darks of the same patterns. I think that was the same. Lots of blues. It's kind of 4th of July looking to me. The reds and blues there. And the stars, of course. Skipped one again. Pretty, pretty. big one with stars. Okay, that's everything. That's Mackinac Island by Minnick and Simpson. Here's the label. Here's the back of it. If you want the UPC number. I'll put links down below that I can find for Fat Quarter Shop. So that is everything. We got 2 patterns. We got 2 things of paper. We got a template, seam tape, and thread. So if you have any questions, please feel free to ask in the comments. Thanks so much for stopping by, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.